Driving lesson in Brooklyn here, Brooklyn driving lesson. Doing an early morning here. Pierre, Benny with Pierre Paul Driving School, as always. We're always covering lesson early morning. Few left and right, you know, as we always do. And see what's going on from there, right? Anything you guys want me to cover in particular, put in the comment below. That's where I get all of our videos coming from, all right? So we are located here at 81 Clarkson Avenue. We're Brooklyn, we're a New York-based business, all right? So if you are in the New York area, you need some help with all your driving endeavor, please feel free to check our website, pierrepaul.driving.com. We can definitely help you. If you already know how to drive, you're a beginner, or you already know how to drive, you just want to take your road test, we do have a mock test in place to make sure that you meet all the requirements for you to pass your road test with the DMV here. Remember, it's not about driving, it's how they want you to drive to pass the test. Understanding that gives you a strong edge over those people that are just winging it until they pass the test. It's not about winging. Driving is not enough. If driving was enough, why would they even have to conduct a road test? Because if you go to the road test somewhere or another, you have a basic understanding how to handle a car. So that goes to show you there's more to it than driving. That's where we come in. We're not only showing you how to drive, we're also giving you the basics, thing that they are looking for in order for you to pass the road test. If that sounds like you and this thing makes sense to you, just hit the subscribe, hit the like button so you can help us spread out this video to more people. If you have not yet subscribed again, you can do so here. We're doing a few left and right here early morning in New York City, where the street get busy. You have to be well aware and pay attention to your surroundings. You'll be in shock. Thing that can happen early morning driving by laying back, thinking that it's too early, nothing can happen, is the worst way of looking at it. I've seen it on numerous occasions, okay? You do not want to be any one of those. You do not want to be any one of those people. Do everything that you have to do, although you're driving early in the morning. Both hands on the steering wheel, verify, signal all of your attention, verify all of your shoulders, everything thereof, all right? So as I'm going ahead here, I already see the bus. A bus blinking on my right side. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna signal my attention. Okay, I'm not gonna just go. Signal my attention, verify mirror left, shoulder left, and go around, folks. You see? Is any car coming around me? No. Do I have to do that? No. Is that the right thing to do? Yes, and I will do it because it's the right thing to do. At the traffic light here, we're making a left turn. So, okay. Signal the attention. Go up to the middle. Mirror left, shoulder left, and make the left turn. Nice and smooth. Okay. Let me see what's going on here. Rolling back. See the car in front of me are moving, making sure that I'm go out of their way. Straight across. You see how heavy is this traffic here? 6:27 a.m. At the light coming up, we're making a right turn. Signal the turn, 100 feet away. Before making the turn, what do? Mirror right, shoulder right, and make the turn nice and smooth and fall right in the middle. Nothing changes, folks. Nothing changes. Okay? At the traffic light coming up, we're making a right turn. Signal the turn. And when we stop, we want to see the minute we start losing the first white line, we stop from there. The minute we start losing it, by right here. Okay? And leave equal distance on both directions. And before making the turn, verify mirrors and shoulders. Make sure there is no pedestrian, no skateboarder, no bicycle squeezing on that side. All right? Making my turn here. See, early morning. I'm seeing the human ready to cross. Guess what I'm going to do, guys? Fall right here. Let the human cross. From curve to curve. Nothing changes. You see she's crossing? Okay? From curve to curve. Going now. Continue with my turn. These are the level you need to deliver. Because once you're driving, you have to make the eye contact. You have to yield right away to pedestrian. Because failure to do so gonna lead you into trouble with your road test. All right? Falling back here. These are the little things to do. And at the road test, fail to yield right away at the pedestrian, automatic disqualification. Okay? Automatic disqualification. All right, folks? I've heard it on numerous occasions. Students failing the test because of that. You do not want to be one of those, all right? So go in here, pay good attention. The car sticking out to my right. You see I slow down, let this car go. Mirror left, shoulder left, and go around it and pay good attention here. Because the car sticking out I know what's gonna be next. Signal my attention, come back in, right on at the corner here. Okay. Mirror right, shoulder right, and make my turn and fall where? Into the middle of the street. This is the level of delivery when we do, folks. This is how we have to deliver if we wanna be here, passing the road test with flying colors, okay? As simple as it is, but many people for sure understood, you know? When pressure built up, then they kind of lose a sense of concentration, you know? Good, good, good. Going straight here. At the light coming up, we're making a right turn at the light. Signal the turn. You see the light begin to blink. It's no rush. I'm gonna make sure when I get there, the light is completely red because you know why? Yellow light is not for student, okay? Some people would have forced it, but I cannot do that. That's not the right way of approaching it, okay? And as always, what we will do, verify mirrors and shoulders and take the turn, okay? It ain't no rush. It's the way that they want us to deliver. We're gonna deliver at that level. There's nothing more, nothing less, there's no around it, okay? Because then they don't like leaving anything where to go up or to go down. If we're not doing what we're supposed to do, we will be at fault for not doing what we're supposed to do. All right, folks? Like, share, and subscribe, okay? And anything you want us to cover in particular, put in the comment below. We will be more than happy to cover them for you with no issue. Okay? With no issue. All right. I just adjusted my steering wheel. I feel like it was a little bit too low, of which you can do too as you're driving with the steering wheel, you know? Good. Mirror right, shoulder right, and I'm going with my turn, nice and smooth. It ain't no rush, okay? You see how much I'm making the turn? Paying attention here for the people on my right side. All right? Yes, folks. Those are the level of delivery that we need to be on when we're doing the road test here. Understanding that give you a strong edge over other people, and you will pass your road test with flying colors. At Pierre Driving School here, that's what we do best. We are not only showing you how to be safe driving on the road, how to drive, and also how to pass your road test. Furthermore, how to, after passing your road test, to be able to get behind the wheel by yourself and go places. Because oftentimes we see students passing the road test come to us here, cannot even drive the car straight for 10 minutes at a highway, all right? That's why after passing your road test, we cover all these things here. We do highway lesson, anything thereof that can continue enhance your skills on driving to make driving for you as much easier and convenience as possible, okay? As I'm driving here, paying good attention on both sides. You'll be in shock what may popping up on you at the last minute. At the traffic light coming up here, we're making a right turn. The light is blinking. Guess what, guys? I'm not gonna run to take the light. I'm taking my time. So when I get to the light can be completely red, but I have enough time to make the light. I'm not gonna have to do anything otherwise. You see how much I'm making? And I can turn onto the bus lane here. Why? Because in New York City here, before 7 a.m., you're allowed to be on the bus lane. I'm making a right turn here, mirror right, shoulder right, and coming in. We're gonna do a pull up here. We'll do pull up parking here. Okay, signal my parking, signal my thing here to my left. All right, see how much I'm checking, guys? Gonna do pull up here. You see how we're pulling up here? Nice and smooth. Okay? These are the things that we are expecting to be doing. Put my car into parking. All right, folks. Any question, anything that you want me to cover in particular, put in the comment below. Here at Pierre Driving School, we're very pleased to help all the students to get their license on the first try and to train you not only to be a safe driver on the road, also to do things that thereof are expecting for you to take the test, and as well as after you pass your test, you can get in the car and go places by yourself with confidence because you have learned from the best driving school here in Brooklyn, especially in New York City, and in New York City, especially in Brooklyn, all the things that are for you to do. We want you guys, any questions, if you cannot ask us the question directly, put it in the comment below. Most of our videos get done from the comment below. If you know any families and friends can be benefiting from this content, please share with them, because sharing this content, giving somebody a way to get the license in New York City, is helping them bettering themselves for better one way or another. All right, so anything you want me to do in particular, put it in the comment below. Until then, folks, keep practicing. Just been here with Pierre Paul Driving School. Check our website, pierrepaul.driving.com. Anything that you want with driving related, we should be able to help. Until then, keep practicing. Take care now, folks. Bye-bye.